Over to Ankur.
Actually, Ashish has said everything that has to be said about this. But pretty much this film wouldn't have been possible without the crew that was behind this. The behind the scenes was very strong. As you know, these are short films with small budgets, but with a big heart and big soul. If it wasn't for all the actors showing up on time, coming for rehearsals, everything for all the crew members who were working 24 hours and giving the heart and soul for the project, it wouldn't have been possible at all. Uh, Nothing more to say than that. I think you can. These are the actors that are here. They worked really, really hard. They asked many relevant questions that made the films much more interesting than they were earlier. Ashish and Aparna wrote the scripts when they were working in the little lab with their minions, planning planning interesting things, and they were very sure that they wanted to do something different from a web series. They came up with the idea of doing short films. I said, okay, that's interesting, but not so interesting till I read the scripts. And once I read the scripts, I was convinced that these are the right films to do, the right project to take forward. And right after that, we did the most important casting for the project. That was Shanu Sharma, who came in and got all these interesting actors. Some really in Cricket World Cup is going to start, so threw us some googlies in terms of proposing some interesting names for people who eventually acted in these films. Farida ji, Kulbhushan ji, Salim was a big surprise when Shanu said that Salim is going to act. I was like, wow, that's quite interesting. Tilotma, Shweta, Sakib, Riya, Shubham, who floored me with his first audition itself. It was so intense. I was like, wow. Shravani, these guys, their first auditions on tape were like they should be doing some art house cinema. But they pulled off this thing so nicely. In fact, the first film Textbook, we pretty much shot for 2.5 hours. They didn't even need to shoot more because they just gave their shots in like one take each. So big hand for the little ones. If you have any questions for me, if you have any questions for the producer, writer, if you have any questions for the cast, please feel free to throw the questions at us.
So main question, why haven't the other three shot?
Sorry?
Why haven't the other three been
We
shown?
shot the films in 2 schedules. We shot the first schedule in December and then we shot 3 films in January. So these are the films that we shot in December and then we got them together. Also, we want to tease you a little.
Why, sir?
Why did we shoot them in? We shot the other three films in January because Riya's dates were not available.
Lies. But how did the idea come about?
The idea was Ashish and Aparna's idea. They came up with the idea. Ashish, you want to take this?
Well, everyone loves a love story. So yeah, love story kisko pasand nahi hai. And we thought it would be interesting to, do this in a fresh format, in a short film format, and set them with really interesting backdrops. And we've all seen this happen. Like the love story that Shweta and Sakib are a part of is something I've actually seen happen when I was in college. I was at the Churchgate bus stop and I saw this blind couple standing and talking, and the boy was flirting with the girl, and suddenly says, and she said to him in Marathi, "Kai karto, koni bagna hai?" And that's just stayed with me for decades, and that's just a story that needed to be told. So be it the settings of those stories, or be it some really interesting characters, like I think Farida ji and Kulbhushan ji's story is actually inspired by my parents. They are still as romantic and they are still as naughty, and that's why her love story is called Scandal Point. And we've all had, absolute boy crushes on Farida ji, so we're all very, very jealous of Kulbhushan ji for being in that car with her. So, there's love stories all around her. There's probably a love story cooking behind somewhere near the elevator as we do this Q&A. So that's really the reason why we wanted to tell them, and that's where Ankur came in, and he's being really humble and modest today, as he always is. And I think what he really did is added that heart and that soul, and I think he made me a better writer than I probably am, and really pushed me, asked me all the right questions that, why would he do this, or why don't we set it like this, and how do we make sure that we, hold their attention even if it's a really short film, and brought in the soul into this film, and that's what really made the whole process. But फिल्में चलती हैं नहीं चलती, यश यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेल मी यू नो कि पिक्चर हिट होगी फ्लॉप होगी किसी को पता नहीं है, बनाते वक्त मज़ा आया कि नहीं वो देखना चाहिए. एंड दैट आई कैन टेल यू, इन्हें बनाते हुए हमें बहुत मज़ा आया. एंड दिस मैन इज hugely responsible for that entire process. So thank you.
How do you go about marketing this and taking to people, like, how do you go about now?
Well, our platform for publishing these, distributing these films is primarily digital. So we're going to put it out on the Y Films YouTube channel. That is one of the fastest growing YouTube channels in the country today. We are only about 100 days old. When we launched the channel, which is sometime in October, we had about 18,000 subscribers, which were dead. And they were dead because they had forgotten, they forgot to unsubscribe. Because we had not put anything over them since like 2 years. You know, because the last film we did, Mere Dad Ki Maruti, which Saqib and Riya were a part of, we had put it on YRF, not on Y Films. So when we went back to it and all the content that we started putting started firing, it's completely exploded. In the last 100 days, that channel subscription base now sits at 2.5 lakhs. We've clocked about 20 million views in the last 100 days alone. So that is the platform where we're going to be hosting this. A large chunk of the marketing is going to happen through social media, through Facebook, through Twitter, and all of that. We have an incredible partner in the form of Airtel. I introduced Neha a little earlier. And Airtel has already started deploying the incredible music that we've got on the film 3 days in advance on their Wink music platform. So if you like the music, you can turn it into a ringtone, a CRBT. So they're going to be pushing it out to their massive, I don't know, like 500 million people who subscribe to Airtel. They're going to get that. Sorry, 200 million. I'm sorry, Neha's correcting me. I'm sorry. It's not the size of China. It's probably just India. Okay. So yeah, so she's going to push that out over there. We've got such incredible talent also who come with their own set of followings and more who we are going to use to publish and promote this. And there's of course friends from the media like yourselves who will hopefully get us, out there with as many people as possible.
And not reveal the twist in the tale.
Let's stay focused on Love Shots. I will hopefully come back with an announcement very, very soon. The film is wrapped up. We have a couple of songs left to do, which is what we are holding off on. So hopefully that will be something you guys will come back for very, very soon. So watch out for that. I'm as excited about it. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. जी. Well, जी वहीं से इंस्पिरेशन लिया है हमने और उसी हिसाब से ऑब्वियसली यश जी के कदमों में चलना हम सब चाहते हैं और बिल्कुल उनकी फिल्मों के ऑडियंस तो आज भी और आई थिंक 100 साल बाद भी रेलेवेंट रहेंगे. तो वही कोशिश है हमारी कि हम भी एक छोटी सी लव स्टोरी या ऐसी कहानियाँ बनाएं जो लोगों को पसंद आए. So बिल्कुल, I mean that's the intent with these stories. They've been hugely inspired by all the work that Yash ji and Adi have done.
रीता जी, लेकिन आपने लगभग सभी तरह के मीडियम्स में काम कर लिया है. You see all
आप समझ सकते हैं मेरे लिए कितना प्राउड मोमेंट है.
मैडम आपको यहाँ से
दे दीजिए ना माइक. बी काइंड एंड ओल्ड लेडी.
ये चेक करिए चल रहा है.
अगर आप लोग पीछे आवाज कम करेंगे तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
हमें बोलिए
आपका सवाल क्या था?
मैंने हर एक तरह के माध्यम में आपने काम कर लिया लगता है. इतने सालों से यश जी के साथ भी काम किया.
जी हाँ,
उन्हीं के मीडियम में
सफर कभी खत्म होता नहीं है. एक आर्टिस्ट का तो कभी होता ही नहीं. एंड दिस इज सच अ मेजर स्टेप इन माय जर्नी दैट मैं आज इस दौर में यहाँ आप सबके बीच बैठी हूँ. मेरे लिए बायद फख्र की बात है. आई कांट बिलीव. तो आज मैं बोलना नहीं चाहती हूँ, इतना ऑब्जॉर्व करना चाहती हूँ आज, इतना ऑब्जॉर्व करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि ये सब बातें मेरे लिए बहुत नहीं है. मेरी पीढ़ी की है भी नहीं. आई एम 4 decades old, as you know, more than that. तो आज ये एंड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, बड़ी खुशी की बात है.
और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सब
अब आप कहिए. आई वांट टू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व व्हाट यू ऑल ऑफ यू आर सेइंग.
So ma'am, what's your take on short films?
एक्सीलेंट, सुपर. जो मैंने अभी देखा, these guys both of them, I mean I'm just blown. I can't imagine कि ऐसी चीज, ऐसा म्यूजिक, ऐसी बातें, ऐसी जज्बात, इतने मतलब इस तरह से जज्बातों के साथ जो खेला है साथ में, he came to me and I thought this soft spoken man ये बना देगा कुछ फिल्म, चलो चलो देखते हैं। And कर भी ली उस दिन गाड़ी में बैठकर चुपचाप जो कहा वो कर लिया। Enjoyed it, I must say. Something new ना, बहुत ही अलग था approach.
How was it working with Kulbhushan sir after long? We saw some.
Very nice, as always. He's such a polite, such a नरम किस्म का आदमी, ठंडा सा बिल्कुल, natural bully अभी भी, and he's the opposite. But it's always a pleasure working with all my colleagues.
I think I'm just going to add to that. I think it's such genius casting to see both of them together, and we've seen them together in the past, but to see them in this Avatar is going to be so fresh. It's actually one of our favorite films, really. And we have to give you a small piece of trivia. Whenever we were scheduled to go see Kulbhushan ji, in the back we would just have a background score playing, which would be keep doing that. And then every time he would finish a meeting and call me, we would go into Kulbhushan ji's voice and say, Sanju, result 2 दिन पहले आया था. How do you keep a straight face having that conversation? But man, it was so much fun.
I
And like
also
I
want
said,
to know कि background में मेरे लिए क्या बजता है?
DDLJ. And really, it was fantastic because, like I mentioned earlier, these two were the youngest and the naughtiest actors on set. It was just so much fun, so much energy, which you're going to see when you watch Scandal Point.
Kulbhushan ji,
Farida ji, we don't get to see you much in feature films these days. Have you kind of become very choosy, or what is the reason?
What you see future films these days? Have you seen any role that I could have done? And said ये कहीं तो जरा कर सकती थी. नहीं नहीं.
जब आप सारे roles
ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. कहाँ है? Where are the characters which I can do? They're done, but they're finished.
you have to see her in Scandal Point and you'll realize that she's done a fantastic job in Scandal Point.
Ashish, can I ask something to the numerically young actors?
Yes, of course, please. Shravani को बताइए, Shravani, शुभम आइए, बताइए क्या पूछना चाहते हैं? चल
भी आपको लग रहा है बताइए।
बेटा आप बैठ के भी बोल सकते हो, आवाज आएगी.
कैसा लगा भाई शुभम? मजा आया कि नहीं?
बहुत मजा आया।
अब चलो अंकुर के बारे में कुछ अच्छा बोलो, फिर मेरे बारे में
सर तो शांति रहते थे।
Actually, frankly, when these guys started, I was not nice to Shubham at all. पहली चीज मैंने इनसे पूछी विशेषण की परिभाषा बताओ, उनको नहीं आती थी। फिर इनका था कि तुम्हारा रोल तभी मिलेगा कि तुम विशेषण की परिभाषा और 2 उदाहरण दोगे, तो इन्होंने दिए आके, उसके बाद इनका टेस्ट क्लियर हुआ, उसके बाद इन्होंने एक्टिंग करी। विशेषण के उदाहरण दिया था तुमने, याद है? परिभाषा याद है तुम्हें?
हाँ, सूरपरी।
बताओ सबको विशेषण की परिभाषा।
अभी तो नहीं याद है।
आप सबसे यंग यशराज हीरोइन बनिए।
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
क्या पूछ रहे?
कुछ ऐसा श्रीदेवी वाला पोज या कुछ ऐसा करके दिखाइए।
ये इनका श्रवणी वाला पोज श्रीदेवी वाले पोज से ज़्यादा अच्छा है। पोज यूँ करके उन्होंने प्लेन जो फेंकने की इनकी अदा काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त है।
Anything you would like to say कि आप एक legendary प्रोडक्शन हाउस, एक लेजेंडरी इंसान के मतलब से जुड़ गई हैं, उस फिल्म में आपको काम करते हुए कैसा लगा?
बहुत भारी सवाल है. बहुत भारी सवाल. कैसा लगा? जरा उबर देख के फिर खाए.
एक्चुअली इनके सेट पे सवाल इस तरीके थे कि भैया ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या है और लंच में क्या मिलेगा, टॉफी है।
इंसान वगैरह उतना ज़्यादा होगा.
This question is for you. We saw the films and we saw the videos. So how are you going to show them in the film? Is going to be in that format only?
Yeah, so we're going to show the film and then there's going to be music video. The music video is going to contract and then the end credits will flow.
We're also going to be deploying the music videos independently because the music has turned out so well.
Fabulous.
We're also going to be doing that.
Music is wow.
And we're hoping that we get some like amazing views on the YouTube channel and then we take the musicians together and do a little tour as well.
Yes.
So what is your brief for the musicians? You brought in a lot of musicians. So what's your brief? What sort of music do you want?
It was quite cliche for me to ask them to create something out of the box, but they did. The idea was not to make the song for the film. The idea was to feel the theme of the film and write anything they want, even if it doesn't literally translate into the film. In fact, I didn't give them too much of a brief because I didn't want them to make music as they're scoring the film or making a song for the film. I wanted it to be honest and I wanted it to be like how they want to express themselves.
In fact, there's 3 more fantastic songs which you've not had a chance to see today. Here's an interesting piece of trivia. So, one of those songs, in fact 2 of those songs, I actually had a fight with Aditya Chopra over. The fight was he wanted the songs for one of his films. So I was like, no, sir, I have dibs on it, मैं नहीं दूंगा. So ये हो गया. Fortunately, I won, so we got that. And there's also one wonderful song which you hear on the end credits, which also you must look forward to. The lyrics are something to the effect of, which is incidentally the song for Farida Ji's film. It's called Babu Moshai because they play Mr. and Mrs. Ghosh. But the lyrics are on the trailer. They go to the effect of let's roll a fat one and get high. So I wasn't kidding when I said it's naughty. Right, so you had a question.
Yeah, my memory of watching short films in the theater is before a Pixar film, there's always a cute little short film. And if there is a production house that can do something like that, it's YRF, it's Y-Films. Where do you see this going? Because this is a great initiative.
Yeah. No.
Do you think, we could
Absolutely.
also be an audience that gets...
200% yes. That I'm so glad you mentioned that example because I love the shorts. At times the shorts are better than the actual film. When you go and I look out or look forward to the kind of shots that you see done from Pixar. Even the shot like the volcano in Love, the Mr. Lava at the top of Inside Out. I mean, it's one of our all-time favorite films. So those are all films which you remember, and that's really the intent. Unfortunately, like I mentioned, in India at the moment there hasn't been a good theatrical market. So we are really, and like I said, this is our first baby step in giving a platform to short films. I don't think the time is far before we can really take this to market, create a short film festival, create short film awards, and really give them a theatrical screening that they probably deserve. I think one way to do that was put this together as an anthology and a series of shorts to come together and watch them. But that's really the reference point or our vision of where we want to go with it.
साकिब मेरा सवाल आपसे
Sorry,
है
we just ladies first. Let's go with that.
साकिब आपके जो फैंस हैं वो आपको ज़्यादा देखना चाहते हैं फिल्मों में लेकिन लगता है आप बहुत चुनिंदा फिल्में कर रहे हैं पहला सवाल और लव शॉट से आपके जुड़ने का क्या कारण है
तो मैं पहले आपके दूसरे सवाल का जवाब देता हूँ
बिल्कुल जैसा
लव शॉट से जुड़ने का ये है कि आशीष मुझे कुछ भी बोले करने के लिए मैं करूँगा बट इसने मुझे उसके बाद एक स्क्रिप्ट भी दी कि आप ये भी पढ़ लें आप कर तो रहे हो मुझे पता है बट पढ़ लो क्या कर रहे हो and when I read it and I met Ankur मैंने कहा ये तो बहुत अच्छा है it's something that I haven't done before I'm supposed to play a blind guy मतलब मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा मैंने बहुत रिसर्च की और मैं जाके इतने लोगों से मिला but for me it was a challenge to do something else so that's why I did that and the first question मैं भी बहुत सारी पिक्चरें करना चाहता हूँ and मेरी भी intention वही है but sometimes you want to be slightly choosy about the films you want to do क्योंकि आप जो भी फिल्में कर लोगे हमेशा के लिए चल जाती है और आप चाहते हो आपकी ऑडियंस ये ना सोचे कि you did films for the wrong reasons so hopefully I'm doing 2 films this year and if all goes well we should be doing the Maruti sequel soon so let's see fingers are crossed we're working on a lot of films और इस साल आप देख लोगे 2-3
I'm going to add to that. Yeah, I'm going to add to that. And actually for both Shweta and Sakib, it's not an easy part. Because again you land up expressing so much emotion through your eyes, and that's the one handicap that we put in front of you, without also giving away क्या ये हुआ है. So that's just something that both these actors have just put so much heart into, one. And two, there's a couple of really exciting pieces in the pipeline that Sakib has round the corner for release. There is the remake of the international
Oculus that comes
Oculus
out
film,
mid this year.
which comes out mid this year. And there's also a
Dishum.
And Dishum, which is with Varun Dhawan and John Abraham. So watch out for that. He's going to be one of the most exciting parts of that film. And hopefully a couple of really interesting announcements in the pipeline. So, hold on for that.
Well, it's like the same medium in a sense, music, and it's all part of cinema. And I was when I do scores for a movie, I always watch the actor, feel the spaces, feel the silences, and fortunately I worked on some amazing movies that I worked with some great actors. And I always wondered what kind of a art form was that, and what kind of so when and Ankur is a dear friend of mine, I've known him before this film, and that's it. Shalu called me one day, and Ankur the next day, and he was script. I read it, I loved it, and I said yes. Let's dive into this session.
I'm going to add another piece of. Sorry, there's so much trivia on this entire project, no? So the names of the characters, Nidhi and Anand, are actually triggered by someone who works in my team. So is Nidhi here? Nidhi Seth here?
Yeah.
She's also the associate producer on the film, and her husband.
Take a bow.
Her husband is Anand. Anand is the guy who's sung Fasle at the end of Koi Dekh Lega. So those were actually triggered and inspired by these two. So that's another piece of info I thought maybe. Sorry, आपका सवाल था. Sorry.
सर वो सर का डेब्यू था तो श्वेता जी वो पूछिए आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
ये तो आपके सवाल के लिए मैं
मेरे साथ झूठा हुआ है.
इस तरह से कोई फंदा की बेइज्जती नहीं कर सकते.
मैं सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ.
एक्टिंग की दुनिया में सर आपने डेब्यू किया है वो कैसा लगा और कैसा था ये कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
मजेदार रहा. खाली सिर्फ हमने शुरुआत की 3:30 बजे सुबह. थोड़ा सा मैं ज़्यादातर रात को काम करता हूँ, सो मेरे लिए ठीक ठाक था, पर वो सुबह के 9 बजे थोड़ा मुश्किल था.
Welcome.
इनफैक्ट तिलोत्तमा जी से पूछना चाहिए कि उन्होंने पहली बार एक डेब्यूटांट के साथ ऐसे काम किया तो
मैं एक्चुअली ये कुछ क्या कहना चाहिए. मैं कहूँगा कि मैंने बहुत कुछ मुझे सीखने मिला और खुशकिस्मत ये कि मैंने इतने अच्छे एक्टर के साथ मुझे काम करने का मौका मिला. लेकिन ये एक्चुअली ये रियली एक दूसरे से सीखने जो मिलता है ये फील्ड में वो सबसे बड़ी बात है. और आपके अंदर वो स्टूडेंटशिप रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है इस इंडस्ट्री में. अगर आप में वो है तो आप हमेशा आगे जाएंगे. तो ये मुझे बहुत सीखने मिला इनसे, इनके साथ काम करने, इनकी जो टाइमिंग है, इनकी जो इनका जो एक्सपीरियंस है.
Sorry, you were saying something.
Salim, belated happy birthday.
Sing happy birthday.
Salim, lots of actors turning singers. तो आपने भी ये सोचा कि आप musicians और singers को भी करना चाहिए?
क्या करना चाहिए? सवाल तो ठीक से पूछिए. देखिए मैंने तो कह दिया कि आप ऑनेस्टली ये एक मानवी जो इंडस्ट्री है, सिनेमा जो है वो एक समंदर की तरह है और म्यूजिक एक उसका एक भाग है. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक कनेक्टेड एंड यू नो आई वाज ऑलवेज इंट्रिग्ड बाय एक्टिंग एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं एक्टिंग करूँ, पर वो कहीं ना कहीं सब कनेक्टेड है, संगीत से जुड़ा हुआ है कहीं हद तक. और ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं था कि अभी मैंने म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन कर लिया, मैंने गाना वाला गा लिया, अभी मुझे एक्टिंग करना है. ऐसा कुछ भूत सवाल नहीं था मुझे. ये तो बस एक स्क्रिप्ट, हम एक कहानी, हमारे एक मौका मिला और मुझे इंटरेस्ट आया ये रोल में. मैंने कहा कि वाई नॉट, शॉर्ट फिल्म है, जल्दी पड़ जाएगा और एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस भी मिल जाएगा. एंड यू नो ज़्यादा मुझे, पर ऑनेस्टली मुझे इतना सीखने मिला है तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुशनसीब महसूस कर रहा हूँ. It's a very different thing, you know, from this music world which I know.
always had a belief that you can do it.
No,
This is starting.
I didn't know.
We.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Great.
Farida ji, how do you find the younger crop of actors? Who do you like watching on screen the most?
Who do I like watching on the most?
Yeah, from the younger generation of actors.
I like all of them. But the name is not there. Honestly.
You said that roles are not perhaps written for you these days in films. Isn't that really sad?
Very.
See, that's why we made up for it, man. We wrote Scandal Point just for her. We couldn't have cast anyone. Choice number 1 to 10 was Farida ji.
Ashish, can you have the two words from Anakal?
Yes, of course. Yeah, if you all right. Why don't we start with Mohit? Right here.
One by one.
Mohit, Priya.
आप लोग तीनों वहाँ पे सामने बैठो.
Come, Rico.
So Mohit is in the film called The Big Date with Riya and Sabah. Sabah unfortunately is not here. And Mohit, how was the experience?
The experience was amazing. This was actually the third short film I've done, and I have always tried to keep this side of me alive, that no matter tomorrow, if inshallah I do become a big star, then I don't want to lose this side of doing short films. So the first one, in fact, we have taken a lot of help from him. The second one, he spotted me and thought I was worth it, and the third one, he casted me. So I think it's going fine.
I've been very fond of Ashish and Ankur since a very long time. So I think I had called you for something else. मैंने इनको फ़ोन करने के लिए पूछा था कि मसान आपने देखी है कि नहीं देखी है, तो क्योंकि उन्होंने नहीं देखी तो उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं DVD मंगवा के उन्होंने देखी है अब, तो वहाँ से बात चालू हुई एंड ही सेड दैट कि एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट है जिसके बारे में वो सोच रहे हैं। एंड वंस उन्होंने बताया कि अब अंकुर जी विल बी डायरेक्टिंग इट एंड देयर विल बी साकिब, सो फॉर मी देयर वाज एक्साइटमेंट एट एवरी लेवल, क्योंकि अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव ट्राइड पहले कि साकिब और मेरा पेयरिंग होके हो, तो फाइनली जब वो हुआ, हम पहले से दोस्त हैं। फिर जब पता चला कि इसका म्यूज़िक वीडियो भी होगा, जब स्टोरी आशीष ने बताई, इट वाज रियली वेरी स्वीट एंड हार्टवार्मिंग, तो एट एवरी लेवल। देन जब पता चला कि बाकी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स में कौन है, सो इट वाज जस्ट यू नो इट रियली कुडंट बी बेटर देन दिस।
श्वेता, आप इस तरह का रोल कमर्शियल सिनेमा में करना चाहती हैं? तो मसान आपने की तो उससे डिफरेंट इमेज बनी हो।
जी जी,
ये फिल्म क्या एक टर्निंग पॉइंट होगा या लोगों को कमर्शियली एक्सेप्ट करेंगे?
लोगों को कमर्शियली देखना है मुझे या इंडिपेंडेंट सिनेमा वे में देखना है, वो दैट्स टोटली अप टू देम। मैं तब स्क्रिप्ट करूँगी जब मुझे एक्साइट करेगी, तो मैं ये देख के नहीं करती कि ये कितनी कमर्शियल है या कितना पैरेलल सिनेमा है या मुझे कितने अवार्ड्स देगी अपनी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए। जब मुझे एक्साइट करेगी मैं वो करूँगी, तो होपफुली हर टाइप की फिल्म होगी वो।
हाँ, 2 words. नहीं
Hi, how are you?
Thank you.
Tell us about your film. We don't know क्या है.
साकिब,
2 words, love shots.
तो जब मुझे पता चला कि साकिब भी हैं लव शॉट्स में कहीं दूर, तो मैंने कहा ऑफ कोर्स मैं तो साकिब सलीम के साथ कोई भी स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर करना चाहूंगी,
बस अब
क्योंकि
बहुत
मेरी
हो गया,
लाइफ
we've
की
done-
बहुत
we've done too many films.
बहुत
बड़ी
हमने
history
की
है।
है।
बहुत हो गया मनी.
नहीं, एक्चुअली व्हेन आई हर्ड अबाउट लव शॉट्स आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि आई हैवंट डन एनीथिंग लाइक दिस, और एक एक्टर के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि वो अलग अलग चीज़ें करते रहे और वो एक्टिंग करते रहे रियल लाइफ के अलावा। रियल लाइफ में तो मैं करती हूँ, बट ऐसे भी मतलब यू हैव टू कीप परफॉर्मिंग। और फिल्में इतनी ऑब्वियसली अभी मैं कर नहीं रही हूँ, जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ वो आ रही हैं, 1-2 हैं इस साल में और ये वो वगैरह वगैरह, ये तो चलता रहेगा, बट यू हैव टू ऑल्सो डू अदर इंटरेस्टिंग स्टफ। और ये करके बड़ा मज़ा आया क्योंकि अंकुर जी जो है बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग है।
आई नो
अंकुर जी और आशीष जी, अंकुर जी और आशीष जी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग टीम है, और इन्होंने ऐसा कुछ कूल सा कॉन्सेप्ट बना के ऐसे कूल से लोगों को डाल दिया है, तो ऐसे मुझे भी करना है ऐसा कूल प्रोजेक्ट।
क्या you have a question?
आप बताएं ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस।
भाई what I felt when Ashish told me about the story of the film, तो मैंने कहा अच्छा who's the girl in the film, कौन है? तो उन्होंने कहा कि एक एक्ट्रेस है श्वेता त्रिपाठी। मैंने कहा मसान वाली? तो कहते हैं हाँ वो मसान वाली। तो मैंने कहा मैं बिल्कुल पिक्चर कर लेता हूँ, आप प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो, अंकुर तिवारी बना रहा है, वो श्वेता त्रिपाठी फिल्म है, मैंने कहा मैं फिल्म कर लेता हूँ। बट आई रिमेंबर वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन शूटिंग द फिल्म, बिकॉज मेरा और श्वेता का फियर था कि मतलब यार what if the audience comes to know that we are blind in the beginning of the film, then the whole point goes. And if you don't act blind in the beginning of the film, the audience shouldn't feel like अरे ये तो blind लग नहीं रहे थे। तो अंकुर just came and told us that कि देखो ज़्यादा ब्लाइंड नहीं लगना है, कम ब्लाइंड नहीं लगना है, बीच का ब्लाइंड है वो ढूंढो। तो मैं और श्वेता की शूटिंग खत्म हो गई वो बीच का ब्लाइंड ढूंढने में कि कौन सा है। तो श्वेता लाइक कि अच्छा हम ब्लाइंड लग रहे थे क्या? मैंने कहा नहीं तू तो लग रही थी, मेरा पता नहीं। So yeah, it was a fun ride. Yeah, I've always enjoyed working with Ashish and the team, and I've become an actor because of my films, Ashish. So I think we should really promote stuff like this, and it's great for actors, it's great for technicians to put your work out there. Sometimes you get to do something different in all of this. Sometimes आप एक commercial picture नहीं बना सकते हो इस सारी चीज़ों के बारे में. So you have to keep doing stuff like this.
जो लगता है आपने कुछ अच्छे अल्फाज बोलते हुए प्रोमो में देखे थे।
Really, I feel like finally I'm part of Bombay, working on, with this very well-known, iconic establishment. All my life I've just been traveling from one place to another, and so I've always felt like an outsider. But with this film and with working with Wild Films, Ashish, really felt like I was home. And working with Salim was such a surprise because I was really excited by the idea of working with his kind of talent. But also nervous because we've never worked together. But the most beautiful thing was that Salim is a musician who can listen. And I I realized while working with him when we were just rehearsing, he was listening to everything I was saying. And I think most actors वो अपने डायलॉग अपने परफॉर्मेंस में ही इतने बिजी हैं कि वो दूसरे एक्टर ब्रेक करेगा, वो खत्म करेगा अपना डायलॉग, मैं अपना बोलूँगी और कैसे बोलूँगी. But he didn't have any of that. So I don't know what he has learned, but I've learned that if you have this quality to be a good actor, I think one half the battle.
वो बात और है कि मेरी लाइनें ही कम थी.
So great guys, we'll take the last question and we can move to photo ops right there. Sorry, last question.
Have you kind of vision की like revolutionized के लिए हर चीज पहले आप जब MTV जमाने से चलते आ रहे हैं तो हर जगह जाके कुछ नया और वैसा करना है. आप यहाँ पे भी यशराज में भी आके आपने बिल्कुल एक revolution से start कर रखा है जब से आपने कर दिया.
रुलाई का क्या पगले? Guys, we can take a few pictures. I'm just gonna shout out for Shraddha. Yeah, good. So just one small request to all of you before we move for a photo op. You know, as you can see that some of the stories have a twist in the tail. So my request is going to be बाहर आके जाकर आप लोगों को बताएं नहीं कि खून काजोल ने किया था. You know, please मत करना. Keep it under wraps. Don't share it on Facebook yet. Just share the stories. The first short film launches tomorrow, which is The Road Trip. We are going to be premiering one film every Tuesday along with a music video on the Y Films YouTube channel. Do share that, do like that, do retweet that. I'm going to pull Shraddha if she's here just for a quick question. Is Shraddha around? Shraddha Pasi? Shraddha here? No problem. We can move to otherwise. A quick photo right here at the hall. Shraddha. Shraddha!
Shraddha, come now.
Director of our music videos.
Shraddha, where are you?
And the bands are right here. Yeah, and Shraddha, come on up.
Shraddha, come here. What are you doing?
Hooray!
Previously worked on a bunch of mind-blowing films which include, Mardani, Shudesi Romance, don't ask. And Shraddha, if you can say a few words about our music videos and then pull the band. Baraji ji.
Come, sit.
Yes,
Feel
yes,
comfortable.
yes.
Feel comfortable.
I think we were blessed with great musicians and great songs already. So my job was to link the stories to the videos and create something that is enjoyable and loved by everybody. And I had a superb team in terms of musicians and technicians, producers who helped me pull this. And I always feel it's a teamwork. So we all did it together.
Actors की बात नहीं किया.
बात मतलब कारी.
Choreographed and danced on the song.
Are all the bands here?
They're there.
They're spread out. You want to just pull them in for a quick picture? Yeah. So we want to pull. Guys, can I have Subhi, Gaurav, Anurag, Arunima, Anand and the Anand Bhaskar Collective. Can you guys have you guys here for a moment? Come. Is Superbia here? Gaurav, Roshan, are they around?